Hello friends, welcome to Motherhood Rider. So today I'm going to show you some of the reviews of the products which I use during pregnancy and after pregnancy for both myself and for my daughter. So let's quickly get into the video. So these are the products which I used for my daughter. So I prefer the Mama Earth products. So this one is that cleansing shampoo for babies, which we can either use or you can skip this also. And this is moisturizing bathing bar for babies. Either you can go for this or gentle cleansing body wash also is there. So that also you can go for that. So this one is the Mama Earth body lotion, moisturizing lotion for babies. Then the next is this easy tummy roll on. I haven't used it, but for indigestion problem, my baby doesn't face any constipation or indigestion issues, so I didn't use this. And this one, anti mosquito body roll on. Yeah, this one is really good. It doesn't have any side effect on the baby skin also. Then the next thing, for oil bath, I used this Kerala Ayurvedic oil, that is Nalpamaradi Kira Thailam. So this one, it contains the goodness of turmeric. So it doesn't have any burning sensation and all. So it's really good for the baby, especially for girl babies. So you can give a good massage for the whole body of the baby and give her a nice warm bath. And for hair, I use this normal coconut oil, virgin coconut, cold pressed coconut oil. Doesn't have any additives. So using this one, like daily I used to give a nice massage, and for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I used to bath the baby. So these are the products which I prefer for my daughter. So you can guys check this out. And Mother's Purse wipes I used for her. So Mama Earth wipes I didn't prefer much. 6 months I used Mother's Purse wipes. Then later I shifted to Himalaya wipes, so it's of your choice. Then diaper, I preferred Mami Poco pants. So next, let's go on to my products which I used. So for stretch marks, I used this one when I got when my stretch marks got even very worse at the last stage of during the last month, like about 8th and 9th month. So the doctor preferred me this one. So it's really good. It has a aloe vera gel and vitamin E, and it gives a cooling effect also. So you can apply after taking bath twice a day. Then this Mom's Co natural stretch oil. It contains goodness of many things, and it's really good. It's non-sticky, and you can go for this for your stretch marks. And you can also use normal coconut oil, but this oil is not sticky. So you can go for this. It's good to use like daily, twice you can use it after your shower. The next, I use this lactocalamine for my stretch marks when it got worsen. Okay, so I got very bad irritations and all, and severe rashes and itchiness and all. So I used to go for this lactocalamine. While sleeping, I used to apply a little bit. It gives a cooling effect, and it was good. So I used to get poops, small boils around my stretch marks, in and around my stretch marks. So it's good for this one, that one. Okay, so next one is after delivery, what I used. So like this one, this Dhanvantri Kodambu, this one is the oil which I used during my pregnancy. Before and after, from 7th month onwards, we should use this oil, not before. Okay, after 7 months, from the starting of 7th month, 7, 8, 9, you can go for this oil. Okay, then after delivery also, because before 7 months you should not prefer, because this oil is helpful for getting us ready for the labor. So last 3 months is much preferable to use this one. And this one also, Sahacharadi Thailam, is also really good. I used to go for this after my delivery, like when I have joint pains, back pains, for those kind of things. This one is good for overall body. Okay, so just before use, just take some amount of oil, then heat it, then you just apply it when it is warm, then give a good hot bath, then you feel very relaxed. Like your joint pains, back pain, everything vanishes off. Then the next thing is like I had this Ashtachurnam. This one I had after my delivery. Like this one is a Kerala Ayurvedic medicine. Like before the use, you need to consult any Ayurvedic doctor. No. So like 1 tablespoon, I think we can have with some half glass of water. We need to boil warm water, boil it, and we need to put 1 tablespoon of it, and we need to have before our before lunch and before dinner, because it helps in the digestion process, as well as after delivery we might tend to have constipation issues, bloating issues. So for those kind of things, it's very useful. So before that, before the use, you need to consult an Ayurvedic doctor. So then this one also is Dhanvantri tablet. So this one is also like it comes in the form of small pills. So you can take 1 pill and add to any warm water and dilute it, and you can drink it like once in a day, before breakfast you need to have this one is like before lunch and before dinner. So apart from this, I used to have kashayams and arishtams for my constipation issues and bloating issues. So before that, you need to see a good Ayurvedic doctor, and you can have the Kerala Ayurvedic medicines. It's really good after your delivery. So that's all. These are the baby products, and these are my products which I have used. And I forgot to say one thing. For the stretch marks, I used Mom's Co, that body butter. Along with this oil, we will be getting the Mom's Co body butter. So currently I'm not using. I used to before I used to have it, so that also is preferred. So guys, these are the baby products and the products which I used during my delivery and before and during my pregnancy also. Like so please check this out, and I hope that this video is useful for you. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, have a nice day.